Welcome to our AWS Web Log Analysis series. In this series, we are going to create AWS Kinesis Firehose. So why we need to use Firehose? So basically what it will do, it will stream our Fire web logs into Elasticsearch cluster. So what will happen after adding data to Elasticsearch cluster, it by using Kibana dashboard we are able to analyze our data. So suppose this is our input either will be our web or Kafka or any streaming logs. After that, by using Amazon Kinesis, we are able to load our data into multiple source, like either it could be S3 bucket or Redshift or Elasticsearch, or it also supports some third party um, provider like Splunk, Datadog, and Sumo Logic also. And after that we are able to create output. So let's go to demo. So currently we need to go to our web. Under web, in logging and monitoring, if you enable this logging, then here you can see we need to create Firehose with this proper prefix. So now we will go and create Kinesis Firehose. So click on it, and also for setting a elastic Kinesis Firehose, it will not cost any other charges. It only cost for how much data we are transferring. So let's create delivery stream. Here we have two sources, direct put or other sources. We will use this, and suppose if we have any Kinesis data stream, on that case we need to use this one. And for server side description, we don't want anything, so we don't want to choose this one. And data transformation, if you want to transform by using some lambda, on that case you need to enable this, but in this case we don't want any transformation, so it is disabled. Next, here choose destination where we want to put our data. So currently we need to use Elasticsearch. So what will happen, from source, like for source will be our web, by web it will by using this Firehose, it will add all data into Elasticsearch cluster, and for suppose if any delivery fails, it will add to some S3 bucket. Here we need to choose this cluster that we created in previous lecture, and so index name would be this web. After this it will be some indexing. So for all failed record, it will add to some any buckets, like suppose I am using this. Next, here for buffer size I am taking it as 5 maybe bytes, and buffer interval will be 5 minutes, so I am going by default. And for using this, if you have any existing role, then you need to use, otherwise let Amazon Kinesis let us to create IAM role behalf of us, and it is for review. Now we are able to create our Kinesis Firehose. So at this point our Kinesis Firehose status is active and it is able to stream all logs into our Elasticsearch cluster. So suppose if I come here and if I refresh this page, here I am able to see this indices WAF, and here all the datas are there, like HTTP request args, client IP, country IP, headers, HTTP method, HTTP version and URI. So it will be useful for our next demo. On that we will create some dashboard based on this particular logs. So yeah, thank you for this lecture. We'll see in next lecture.